Hey guys, Dave from Dave's Lawyer Shopworks here, and on this episode we are going to be doing a little bit different than the Fargo this time. Last we left the Fargo, we had to paint the engine, do a couple things, but we'll get to that. So today we're going to introduce you to my daughter Aiden. Here she is. Aiden's 16 years old and bought this beautiful C20 Chevrolet. Pretty basic truck, lined up windows, nothing too all-encompassing in it. Factory AM radio, the dash hasn't been butchered, which is amazing. It's got a 305 under the hood that purrs like a 305 does. And today Aiden is going to put door locks in. So follow along and I'll be showing my kid how to put some door locks in her truck. Because around here, it's important. Alright, so when you're doing your door panel, you have to get your window winder off.
Okay.
I think this handle stays.
Yeah.
And then we got these two screws down here. We have to get those off.
Are they there? Yeah, they're just covered in dirt.
It's covered in dirt. And then there's going to be clips around the door. Oh, a couple screws down here.
There's a screw right here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver.
Are we taking that off now?
Yep.
That's a plus, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Supposed to slide in behind with the fork tool, pry the door panel away, and now we are looking for the clip.
And you just bang on the clip?
No, I have to just push it away. Normally I use a 90-degree hook and I just reach in and pop it out, but that's not happening. There's the clip. Go this way so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm going between this little wear circle and the door handle itself, and I hope the clip doesn't fly away on us. So I'm just pushing the clip down and around, and I might have got it. I did not. There it is. I had thought of this before I left work today, because I would have taken my pick.
But you didn't.
That I didn't. Alright, the pick is almost got her out though. Almost. Please don't tell me that just popped back in place.
I think it did.
No, it's still out.
Can you take this off? Does this mean I can get a new door panel?
Well, you can. Okay, so the clip fell, and thankfully,
it's right there!
It fell on the ground. And that almost never happens. Okay, so you keep this, because it's designed to be a wear piece against the door panel. Because if you just had this and you were always grinding away, it would actually cut right into the door panel.
And put a hole in it.
And put a hole in it.
And we don't want a hole.
That's right.
This one's easy.
Yeah, it's coming. I can feel the string coming off the panel. It's just because my hand's in behind it, so it feels like it's not coming out. There you go. That's it. It's out. See if you can grab that with your fingers.
You have a screw?
Yeah.
Beep. More.
Okay, that's that one. Okay, that feels free.
It's just It's just
Now
that
it's
thingy.
just, I just gotta keep it out of the hole.
I'm trying to get my finger jammed.
Alright, we're almost out.
Oh, you can push back the thingy.
Alright, we're gonna do this slightly easier. I should have thought about this before. See, I've never actually pulled a panel off a square body Chevy.
Well, now you have. Why are you doing that?
We wind the window down, it gets the pressure off this lip.
You told me that you wanted the window all the way up.
I did in normal circumstances. I do. It's just not on this right.
Here.
To come up. That's what it was doing. It bent on us.
How could it?
What a jerk, eh?
Right. Are you gonna edit that out?
There we are.
Woo! Where
Right,
was the
so
thing
now,
that?
Now we wind the window back up.
Cool. I have never seen that do that.
Right? You want to show the camera?
Let's fix the thingy.
That's okay. You want to show the camera? And we're going to lube that up before we put it back together.
Smashy, smashy. Okay. This and this arm. Grab it. That's beautiful. So put it up there, and you just flick it up. Flick it up. Oh. And I think we can just grab it. Ta-da!
I'm going to grab it from the outside and just wiggle it through. And there's nothing attached to it.
That is.
Probably why it doesn't. Well, we don't have a key for it anyway.
That's like taking her to nose ring.
And I don't think there is supposed to be something attached to it, actually.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it pushes on this, it pushes in this groove. That's what it is.
So we want it to hook on that groove.
Yep. All right, so a new one right here.
Brand spanking new.
If anybody wants to know, Standard Motors products DL7 is GMC stuff. All right, so we'll show you in here. Take these guys out.
Don't lose the keys.
Now, first thing you want to do is actually make sure that they turn with the key, and that the key will come out. There we go.
That's a long key.
All right, I'll hold the tab up. You take your screwdriver and push the.
Just push it forward.
Yep. Yep. Just about. Just there and go. Boom. So that comes off there. Now we're going to try the other lock.
That's the old one.
Gasket.
Alright, so we have slightly bigger. Like so.
Mm-hmm. Alright.
Okay.
And then there's only one way this goes on.
That way.
Yep. And the same with this. There's only one way it goes on.
That way.
Now, I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or not, but we'll find out and we'll figure it out together. Now, you want the flat part of the screwdriver against that. Yep. Might need to push this down some. Okay, I got that. Oh, see the clip worked up? Okay, there you go.
You hold my finger.
There you go. Okay, now just push it over my way. A little more. Boom, you're in the hole.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if it goes in.
Okay. So it's gonna end up going in like this.
That looks a lot better. Oh, no. Two big ones.
So side ones.
Which one's your littlest lug?
Little.
Okay, the little lug goes there.
Nope, little goes there.
Little lug goes there.
So it.
Okay, now on this side, yeah, that's gonna work out.
Is it in?
Almost. Okay, it's in the slot.
It's in.
It's in?
It's in.
Alright, now do you want me to try and hold that and you put the horseshoe clip in, or do you want me to put the horseshoe clip in?
You put the horseshoe clip in.
Alright, you keep your thumb firmly on that.
Hang on, can I switch thumbs? This hurts.
Come in from the long hole.
You want little hands doing that?
No, I have like piano player fingers or some stuff. And there it is.
Woo!
Now, take your key, and we look to see if the door lock opens and closes. Upside down, probably. Wiggle, wiggle. Brand new ones are a little stiff usually. Okay, maybe it is upside down. Nope. Nope. There you go. And it works.
Yeah!
All right. All right, all right, all right. High five. Slide that way. Yep, wiggle pull. There you go.
Same thing, throw again?
Yeah, this is like a dust cover. That's a sealer, and that's a dust cover so dust doesn't get in through there. See how dusty that is?
So we're gonna need another dust cover?
Well, we'll probably make one out of vapor barrier for like insulation and stuff. Okay, wind your window back up. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. There you go. Get it moving.
And I have that, and then
You're able to grab it by hand.
But
All right.
tiny hands.
Okay, tiny hands. Get your door lock out of there.
Nope.
Yeah, just wiggle, wiggle. That's all.
And like a nose ring.
Yep.
There we
Got
go.
it. Okay, now it's up, so you can leave the screwdriver there. Push.
Look at that part.
Almost.
Like that move.
Now, if you take the screwdriver like this,
Mm-hmm.
and then you lay your thumb over here, you can squeeze maybe. Or your finger, hold it with your thumb to push against the metal. And then squeeze. Yeah. Okay, you can get the little screwdriver out of there now, and that'll help you take the strain off it.
Boop.
Boom.
Woo.
It's still there.
Oh.
All right. Grab your new door lock. Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
No.
There you go. Nope. Yep. Turn.
But that's how I had it.
No, you had it. You had the bar pointing down, and that won't work.
No, well.
All right. So remember, that has to be pushed right down. The lever has to be right down as far as it'll go. Yep. And then push that guy in. Almost. Yep.
Like so?
Yep. I will hold your lock in place. Well, we're going to want the jack. That big red and black jack that's at the back of the
Does it
garage.
go before the hooks or after? Probably
What's that?
before.
Driver's side, yes.
Does it go on like that?
Yes, it does.
Maybe you're stronger.
You've done it a time or two.
Oh my god. I can't.
That's alright, there's no can't, it's just,
Well,
you have to do it a different way.
You kind of need a bit of muscle.
Well, a lot of people I know, full-blown mechanics, have to put it in with a hammer. And they have to tap it in, so don't feel one bit bad about that. Almost in.
That's probably one of your good shirts.
I think all my shirts are work shirts by now.
No, not the Tim's one. Maybe even that one. Is this one of the hook things?
That's for the screws.
Ow! Yes.
Yep. That's why there's none there.
Because there's not
Because
a.
there's not a thingy. And I don't think we really need it.
Yeah.
Okay. Test it. All right. And that is a job well done. All right, so we have this heavy-duty garage door lubricant and rust preventative. This stuff is used on garage doors, like for houses and shops and whatever. And we're going to use this for lubricating the door latch, inside, outside, and the window crank. So what we do, Aiden, we want to spray on the, we don't want to get it on the rubber, but we want to spray it in there against the back of the door latch.
You got it on the rubber.
A little bit's okay. We're not getting perfect. There's going to be a lot of editing. Okay, I'm spraying all the back side of the latch assembly. And we're spraying in the latch. And then,
The door handle seems to be good. No?
always good to lube. There's always pivots. See, that's a pivot right there. Probably has never been lubricated. All right.
Lube. And the door
Where's your
handle. Or
blender?
the crank. The crank.
All right. So, spray in here. Get the wheel. Get this wheel down here. Spray it from the back side to get in the channel.
While you're at it, want to fix the window on the Dakota?
Maybe. I might. And because we have an access hole down here, we can go down and get the other ones. Oops, might have got the window a little bit. But we got the pivots,
It's cleaner. Yeah.
and we'll get the back side of the crank.
Clean everything.
All right. And then all you do, wind her up and down a few times, and it's already moving so much faster. All right, guys. So that was changing door locks on the 1980 C20 of my daughter's, and I think she did a really good job getting those taken care of. We still have to clean up the inside of the door panels, get all the dust out of the doors and all that jazz, put some new vapor barrier on, and that's going to leave it at that. So from there, you'll probably see the Chevy in future videos where we're doing little tune-ups and all kinds of little odds and ends on that little girl. We got a brake light that doesn't work, and we're going to figure out if it's a ground or if it's a socket or the bulb or whatever. And stay tuned, you're going to get to see all of it. Thanks very much. Appreciate you subscribing, and hope you all enjoyed it.